What's the meaning of corrie? Corrie. Corrie.
Corrie. Corrie. Corrie usually refers to a circular hollow found on mountainsides, often resulting from glacial erosion. These depressions are typically sheltered and can hold snow or ice all year round, leading to the formation of small glaciers. They can also store water that is released slowly over time, contributing to river flow in downstream areas. Corries can be treacherous for mountaineers due to the risk of rockfall and avalanches. Despite the dangers, they are also popular destinations for hiking, winter sports and scientific study.